In this video, unbox natin tong 140 watts charger from UGREEN. This is a GaN charger, fast charging of 3 devices at once. Charge a MacBook Pro 16-inch to 70% just under 1 hour. Wide compatibility, supports power delivery 3.1, quick charge 3.0, GaN technology. First USB-C port niya up to 140 watts max. USB-C na second port 100 watts max. USB-A 22.5 watts max. Binili namin to sa Lazada UGREEN. Costs around 2,000 plus pesos. Very useful kapag ginagamit mo to for travel. Para isang power adapter lang dadalhin nyo. Since 140 watts kaya niya for a lot of devices at the same time. Okay, ang laki. And mabigat siya. Tapos inside is the USB-C cable. 140 watts dito. Tapos andito yung USB-A, dalawang USB-C. Tapos foldable. For the USB-C, standard wire lang naman siya. 1.5 meters. So itetest natin. Kaya nga up to 3 devices at the same time. A MacBook Air here, tas may iPad and iPhone. First, tatry natin for the iPhone. Charges, walang problema. Next for the MacBook Air. It also charges. And for the iPad. So again, very convenient if you are traveling. Since isang power adapter lang dadalhin mo, kaya na all at the same time. Dito na magtatapos ang video natin. Thank you for watching.